Digestion begins when we eat, with our mouth and teeth breaking down food into smaller bits. So here, we have a container that will act as our mouth, and a potato masher that will act as our teeth. Our teeth are important as it mechanically breaks down food into smaller pieces. Chewing helps mix food with saliva, which contains enzymes like amylase, breaking down carbs into sugars. Once chewed well, food turns into a soft lump called bolus, making swallowing easier and reducing choking risks. After swallowing, the bolus enters the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Peristalsis, a series of muscular contractions, pushes the bolus downward through the esophagus toward the stomach. Now that the food is already in the stomach, food mixes with gastric juices, which contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes. Here, vinegar acts as our gastric juices. These break down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids. The stomach's muscular walls churn and mix the food, making a semi-liquid called chyme. Chyme then moves into the small intestine through a valve called the pyloric sphincter. Did you know? Gastric juices are strong acids that kill pathogens in food and create the low pH needed for digestion. They could harm other organs, but thankfully, our stomach's thick mucus lining protects us. However, when there's too much acid, it can damage the inner surface of our stomach, causing ulcer, which is why it's very important to eat regularly. So now, in the small intestine, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver breaks down fats, proteins, and carbs into smaller parts, fatty acids, amino acids, and sugars. So here, a spoonful of baking soda would act as the enzymes. The carbon dioxide produced would then act as nutrients absorbed by tiny finger-like projections called villi and microvilli, lining the intestinal walls. They increase surface area for absorption. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through these projections and carried to cells for energy and other purposes. In the large intestine, water and electrolytes are absorbed from remaining food matter, transforming the liquid chyme into semi-solid feces. Beneficial bacteria are present in the large intestine, and they ferment undigested carbs, making gases and some vitamins like vitamin K and certain B vitamins. Feces are stored in the rectum until expelled through the anus through a bowel movement, completing the digestive process.